everybody, it's Kristina, Mobile Home Mama. Happy Saturday, yeah. I had some time here and wanted to show you guys a prime home. Here's a quick announcement. September the 4th, our huge annual open house, big money savings that day, free giveaways, all the good stuff. Meet the factory, meet me, meow, meow. And we're standing here at a 16 by 66 Seyberts. What I want to talk about is the prime home. That's where you're going to pick up homes in the 40s, 50s, and they're made really good. 2x6 standard, standard stainless steel, standard walk-in shower, standard island, standard 200 amp electrical. I mean, it's already got the things, guys, especially if you're going to the 2x6 states. This is a home series that you want to at least consider. All right, let's check it out. 16 by 66, I think I said this. It's called the Seyberts. Now, all these floor plans, they're laid out the same. And what happened was, let me explain where Prime was born or what we were thinking. During COVID, remember, everybody was cashing out on their houses and making big money, right? And that was great for just a couple of months. And then the prices of houses skyrocketed and people were priced out of the market. So Champion Homes decided to make an economy home series where we drop the prices significantly, put some great standard features in, and that's where the Prime Home Series was born. All right, walking into a wide open living space. Let me get in the corner here. Bad girl, go to the corner. There's the living room. Nice big island in the kitchen with some great seating. You don't see that every day. A lot of times you've got the bar there, but not the seating like this. Great for some rectangular bar stools. And then, I won't open this all up, but a pantry here. You're gonna have a stainless steel 19.3 cubic foot refrigerator, and then you've got more storage over here. Gas is available, but electric is the standard. And then on the back side of the island, you've got a dishwasher, if you choose. If you don't, that would be a cabinet, and then some more storage over here. How about that? This home's in the 50s, guys, with all those standard features. You cannot go wrong. If you're balling on a budget and you want to be debt-free, the Prime Series should definitely cross your path. At least come check it out. I'll put you in a nice hotel, show you around. We'll crawl through some homes. I did that with my customer, Rochelle, this morning. Hey, if you're watching, it was great to meet with you. Here's the master bedroom. Boom. Let me go back in the corner again. Give you another view. Okay. Bathroom coming right off the master bedroom. Call this the master bath ensuite. Here's the cabinet choices: white or brown, gray or white on the tops. Okay. Walk-in closet right here in the bathroom. Hi. Walk-in shower. I love Saturdays for several reasons. One, I'm doing nothing but tours all day. Yes. Meeting people. And two, I got the day off tomorrow. Right? You guys can appreciate that. Okay, we do this in a 2-bed, 2-bath, 3-bed, 2-bath. And then when you get in the sectionals, there's even bigger than that. Here's bedroom number 2. Bath number 2. Keep this one nice and short and sweet for you guys. I know you got stuff to do, grass to mow and stuff. Bedroom number 3. So yeah, let's get debt-free, America, okay? Let's find a way to be able to take your power back. Let's start with Champion Homes. Give me a call, 260-383-1009. Call and at least get your spot into the open house. As always, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.